This is the continuation of binary to decimal conversion. Next we will solve a numerical with only fractional values. Now what is the meaning of fractional value here? Let us consider a binary number 0.1101 to the base of 2. Now what is the meaning of fractional value here? So the number after this point is called as fractional value. The number which is before the decimal point or a point is called as integer value. In the previous section we have solved the numerical with only integer part. Next we have solved the numerical with both integer and fractional part. Now we will solve the numerical with only fractional value. So how to convert this? Take the given binary number 0.1101. So as I said, the first step will be find the positions of the given binary number. Before decimal point, integer part. Because of that reason, here the position is 0. After decimal point, the position will be -1. The position will be -2. Here it is -3. Then it is -4. So next, perform conversion. Take this number 0 into to the base of 2, power is 0 plus 1 into 2 power -1 plus 1 into 2 power -2 plus 0 into 2 power -3 plus 1 into 2 power -4. If I simplify this, this will be 0, this will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, this will be 0 plus 1 by 16. If I add all these values, the result will be 0.8125 to the base of 10. Therefore 0.1101 to the base of 2 will be equal to 0.8125 to the base of 10. So next we will go for octal to decimal conversion. What is the meaning of octal here? Here the base is 8, here the base is 10. It means you have to convert the base 8 number system to base 10 number system. The procedure remains same, only the base changes here. Here the base is 2, because of that reason we are multiplying by 2. Here the base is 8, because of that reason here we have to multiply by 8. Next everything remains same. Let us consider a given octal number. Say for example, if I consider 765 to the base of 8 will be equal to question mark to the base of 10. It means here the base is 8, here the base is 10. I have to convert this octal number to decimal number. What is the meaning of octal number? The octal number should consist of the digit only from 0 to 7. See here 7, 6, 5 is an octal number. I have to convert this octal number to base 10 system, that is decimal number. The procedure remains same. First take the given octal number 7, 6, 5. So here there is no point here, it means the given number is a integer number. So first find the position. Here the position is 0, position is 1 and the position is 2. So again take this number, as I have said in binary to decimal conversion the procedure remains same. So take this number 7, multiply by 8. Why to multiply by 8? Because here the base is 8 and the power should be the position here 2 plus 6 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0. The power will be the positions of the given octal number. So if I simplify this, this will be 448 plus 48 plus 5, which is equal to 501 to the base of 10. So 765, which is in octal, will be equal to 501 in decimal. Next I will consider one more numerical number 2, this is numerical number 1. One more numerical. Say for example, if I take a octal number 375.62 to the base of 8, will be equal to the base of 10. So again I have to convert this given octal number in decimal form. So as I have said, so here we have both integer part and a fractional part. Integer part before the point, fractional part after the point. So it consists of both here. First take the given octal number 375.62. First find the positions of integer part. Here the position is 0, position is 1, here the position is 2. Next find the positions of fractional part. Here the position is -1 because after 0 -1 will come. Here it is -2. Again same procedure, 3 into 8 power 2 plus 7 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0 plus 6 into 8 power -1 plus 2 into 8 power -2. If I simplify this, this will be equal to 192 plus this will be equal to 56 plus 5 plus 0.75 plus 0.03125. If I add all these numbers, the result will be 253.78125 to the base of 10. Next type of conversion is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Hexadecimal means the base will be 16, decimal means the base is 10. So I have to perform base 16 system to base 10 conversion. In case of hexadecimal number, the digits will be 0 to F. Let us consider a simple numerical A, B, 9, 8 to the base of 16 equal to question mark to the base of 10. Here the given number is hexadecimal number, so we have to convert this hexadecimal number into decimal number. The procedure remains same here. So consider the given hexadecimal number AB98. First find the position here. The position is 0, the position is 1, here the position is 2, here the position is 3. So next take this number A. A means 10 multiply by 16. Why 16? Here because here the base is 16 to the power 3 plus B. If you are going for next number, take plus B. B means 11 into 16 power 2 plus next number 9 into 16 power 1 plus 8 into 16 power 0. If I simplify this, 10 into 16 cube will be equal to 40960 plus 11 into 16 square will be equal to 2816 plus 144 plus 8. If I add all the numbers, the result will be 43928 to the base of 10. Therefore, AB98, which is only integer part to the base of 16, will be equal to 43928 to the base of 10. Next numerical, let us consider FC2 point A3 to the base of 16 will be equal to question mark to the base of 10. So here it consists of both integer part and a fractional part here. First take the given hexadecimal number FC2 dot A3. First find the positions of integer part. The position is 0 here, the position is 1, the position is 2, here the position is -1, here the position is -2. So take this number F. F means 15 multiplied by base, that is 16, and the power should be 2 plus C. C means 12 into 16 power 1 plus 2 into 16 power 0. Next plus A. What is the meaning of A here? A means 10 into 16 power minus 1 plus 3 into 16 power minus 2, which will be equal to, this will be equal to 3840. This will be equal to 192 plus 2 plus, this will be equal to 0.625 plus 0.11 0.011718, which is equal to 4034.636 to the base of 10. Therefore, FC2.A3, which is in hexadecimal form, will be equal to 4034.636 to the base of 10. So this completes any radix to decimal conversion.